Can you see logged Facebook profile post? Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, simply open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Facebook account. Once inside the Facebook app, all you have to do is tap on the search address bar at the top right corner of your screen and search for the account that is logged, which profile post you want to see. Now, once you search for the profile, simply tap on that logged profile and navigate to their profile section. Now, just so you can see, you cannot view logged Facebook profile post unless the person has shared them with you. Facebook's privacy settings are designed to protect users' content, and bypassing them would be unethical and against Facebook policies. So, if you want to see someone's post, you can send them a friend request, check their public post, or simply follow them. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.